Alright, so a little while ago, Ash sent me a message. This one that says Jollibee is supposed to be a ramen shop, and that's crazy, Food Panda. That's fucking crazy. We're gonna make it real. Alright, so for our little ramen meal, I've gotten 2 spaghettis to be the noodles, and we're gonna have the chicken fillet be the chashu. Now, these are chicken and spaghettis because for some reason Food Panda did not have just the spaghetti option for my Jollibee nearby. Like, y'all need to fix that. I just needed 2 spaghettis. I didn't need 2 chickens, but we're gonna eat that anyways. Anywho, so the plan is I take the spaghetti, water the sauce down with like actual chicken broth. We got some Knorr cubes here. We're gonna make that chicken broth to make it a broth together with the spaghetti sauce. And then we're gonna add soy sauce, we're gonna add some other stuff, and then we'll just top it off with the boiled egg and the chicken fillet as like the chashu. Now, disclaimer to y'all, I'm not a cook. Alright, I make my own food a lot, but I'm no chef, I'm no cook, I'm a musician, alright? Plop in the Knorr cube. There we go. Mix it up. Come on, turn into chicken broth already. Hurry up. Alright, we don't need it to be boiling, so lower the fire a little bit. Oop. Now, my original plan was to take the sauce away from the spaghetti and then just pour in the sauce. But I'm a lazy fuck, so we're just dumping our spaghettis in there. Do we need 2? I think we'll start with 1. We'll start with 1. So now the chicken broth is mixed with the Jollibee spaghetti sauce. It's looking kind of nasty, not gonna lie. How does that taste? Let me grab a spoon. All right. That's actually not too bad. Okay, we just need 1. We just need 1 spaghetti. Now, on its own, that doesn't taste too bad, I'm not gonna lie. So, we want to add some stuff though. We need to make it more Japanesey, so we got some soy sauce. It's already pretty damn salty, so maybe just a tiny bit of soy sauce. And then some black pepper, right? That much black pepper should do. I was thinking of adding milk, but maybe not. I think this much stuff is good enough for now, maybe. All right. See how that tastes. That's not half bad. That's pretty damn good if you ask me. All right, putting the egg in. Put it down gently so it doesn't break. Oh, it's not fully submerged, but that should be fine. Set a timer for 6 minutes. I think 6 minutes is good for an egg.
A few minutes later.
All right, 6 minutes is up. Take our 6-minute egg. Put it in there to cool down. Then, now we have to build it, I guess, yeah. I forgot there were hot dogs in the fucking Jollibee spaghetti. I don't know how that's gonna taste, but should be fine. Then, we take our chicken fillet. But we should order 2 of these. This is way smaller than I thought it would be. What the heck? Okay. There we go. That did not float as much as I hoped it would. And then our egg. I wish I had green onions. Like chives or something, you know. All I got is some expired thyme. Oh yeah, I need to slice this in half. Hopefully this egg is cooked. It seems very soft. Maybe I should have let it cook for an extra minute or two. A little egg. Cut it in half. Ooh, very jammy yolk. We love that. We love that. Bam. Yeah. And then, of course, we have the magical white powder. There we go. And voila. We have our Jollibee ramen. All right, so now here's our spaghetti. Here's our spaghetti ramen, and I've tasted it, and it's not bad. It's not fucking bad, y'all. It's pretty fucking all right. I wouldn't say it's amazing. It's not great. I wouldn't go out of my way to look for a shop that sells Jollibee flavored ramen with a hot dog on the fucking end of the fork, but it's good. It's all right. It's food. Now let's get some of our chicken filet chashu. It's good. You guys should. You guys try this out yourself. Like if there's a chef out there watching this somehow, make it better than I did it, please, because this ain't half bad, and I think it could be better. All right, let's do a little side-by-side comparison before we end, actually, yeah. So, a regular old Jollibee spaghetti. It's good, but wait. It's not as good as I remember now. I think I actually prefer my ramen broth spaghetti. Wait a minute. Have I still got noodles in here? Because, like, I'm almost done with this. Yeah. I prefer the ramen, Jollibee ramen. So what the fuck? Food Panda, y'all mark them as a ramen shop? You're onto something. You're onto something. Food Panda, Jollibee, I don't know, sponsor me.